Another day, another McDonald's hunt. Today I'm here in Sri Lanka, and here at McDonald's they sell rice. Yeah, an American burger chain selling rice to people who have been eating rice for generations, and where most people eat rice for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this better be good. Let's go and check it out. I've ordered my meal and I'm waiting for it. So I've ordered a McRice, which is the rice that they sell here at McDonald's, and I've also ordered a burger which is called the spicy chicken burger. So here we usually eat spicy food, so let's see how that comes. Okay, right. So the first thing that I'm going to try is the McRice, so which is the highlight of the menu. So it comes in a really nice small box. And okay, so the rice actually looks a bit it doesn't look like it has a lot of things, but it comes with 2 pieces of chicken, fried chicken. The fried chicken seems to, you can actually break it with a spoon, so they give you a spoon. You can break it with a spoon. It's a nice coating. It looks appealing. Let's taste and see how it is. Right, here goes my first bite of McRice. It's okay. It's not great. I mean, there's a bit of oiliness to it. Obviously, I think it's fried rice. They have lightly spiced it. There are some spices mixed with it, but it's not overpowering. And obviously, there aren't too many things. It's just rice, the fried rice, and the chicken, which is coated and deep fried. So the chicken is a bit like the fried chicken that you get at KFC, and with just rice. So, but they also gave me the curry sauce. So I'm going to add a bit of that curry sauce, because here in Sri Lanka, people don't just eat rice with one thing. When we eat rice with at least 3 or 4 different side dishes. You'll have fish or chicken, at least 2 or 3 vegetables. So you mix all of those together, and each of those side dishes will be full of flavor. So when you add everything together, it just creates a completely different flavor. That's what we are used to. So they're competing with people who are, or not rather competing, they're serving people who are used to that kind of taste. So I'm actually a bit surprised that you only have just rice and 2 pieces of chicken here. But let me add the curry sauce. I'm assuming that that elevates it. So let's take a bite and see. I'm going to mix the whole thing together very well, and here goes. Okay, it's not bad. It certainly elevates it. What I like about it is the chicken is very crispy, and inside is very tender. So it's really easy for you to you can just break it off with the spoon, and when you bite into it, the outer layer is very crunchy, and it creates a really nice texture, and it tastes well as well. So the chicken is the highlight. When you add the curry sauce, yeah, it adds a bit of flavor. I think it feels almost like you're adding ketchup. Well, it doesn't taste like ketchup, but it's almost like you're eating rice and crispy chicken with ketchup. It's not bad. It's not bad. When you're hungry, you can actually complete this. However, it's certainly not like the rice and curry that you can get everywhere in Sri Lanka. Obviously, you can't expect proper rice and curry at a McDonald's. This is an American fast food chain, so this is fast food, but they have added a Sri Lankan fish to it. So I would say I would give props to the effort. It's not too bad, and I think this is quite popular here in Sri Lanka as well. So I'm guessing that people are actually liking it, although it doesn't taste like real rice and curry. I should actually really comment on the taste of the chicken. The chicken is really great actually. It's really crispy on the outside, very tender on the inside, and it looks very juicy. And look at that. That is what holds this whole thing together. So that's the McRice done, and the next one I'm going to try is this Mac Spicy Chicken Burger. Although it's called the Mac Spicy Chicken Burger, it's wrapped in a Mac Egg Burger wrapper. So let me actually, before I eat it, let me open it up and deconstruct it and see how it is. So what do we have here? The usual, it looks more like a burger that you get at KFC. You have the normal bun with sesame seeds, and then inside there's a piece of crispy chicken in mayo and some lettuce. Quite basic actually, but this is supposed to be spicy. So let's see. Especially in a country where people eat a lot of spicy food, when you call something spicy, it better be spicy. So there it is. Right, here we go. Well, again, that chicken, it's so crispy. I mean, I don't think I have actually tasted chicken which is that crispy, be it at a McDonald's or at a KFC or even at Popeyes. Yeah, that thing is really crispy. But then again, after that, there's a hint of spice. But I think if I eat a lot more, if I eat into it a bit more, it should get a bit more spicier. So let's see. Now I'm biting into the mayo, and the chicken is really tender inside. I don't know whether you can see it. Right? It's really juicy and tender, and the outlay is really crispy. And it is the chicken that is the highlight of this. Even with the McRice and with the burger, the chicken is top notch. Well, to be honest, to be called a spicy burger, it's not that spicy. There's a hint of spice, but I think they could have at least put a slice of tomato or something like that, just to make it a bit more juicier. Instead, it has a lot of mayo, and the chicken is juicy. So I think that sort of compensates. But it's certainly not a dry burger because they have added a lot of mayo. But it could have been a lot tastier if there was a slice of tomato. For some reason, every time I come to McDonald's, I sit at a place which looks like I'm actually inside a construction place. So there's a door next to me, and there's a wallpaper. So this is just wallpaper. This is not exposed bricks. If you remember my video that I did in Italy at a McDonald's, again I sat at a similar place where there was some, I think, pipes on the wall. They were not real pipes. It was just a wallpaper that had pipes in it. So it looked like I was sitting next to a construction wall. I'm actually inside the shopping mall. Here, let me show you. So that's the shopping mall, and that's McDonald's there, and then here is my spot. So anyway, I've finished my McRice. Well, I didn't completely finish it. I finished half of it, and I finished the burger. So what did I think of it? Well, the McRice, as I said earlier, it didn't really set my world on fire. However, I have actually tried that McRice a long time ago, not in a galaxy far away. When McDonald's first launched in Colombo, in Sri Lanka, there was only one restaurant in Colombo, and as teenagers, that was the place for us to go to have a meal. If you wanted to, take a girl out for a date, that was the place that we went to. And I remember, even at that time, they were selling McRice, but I can't remember the taste. But what I do remember is that the portion sizes were small compared to the normal rice and curry you would get around Sri Lanka. I distinctly remember once I was in the queue to order, and the guy in front of me ordered a McRice, and he looked at it, he opened the thing once he received the food and said to the server, "Brother, this is too small, can I have some more?" So that's something I remember. Anyway, back to this. What about the burger? Again, as I said earlier, it didn't really it wasn't something to rave about. It was okay. The chicken was really good, both in the McRice and in the burger. As I said earlier, the chicken was really crispy and really juicy in the middle. It's actually even better than KFC chicken, I must say that. But the burger, it wasn't that spicy. It had a lot of mayo. If you actually, and to be honest, the Popeye's burger that I tried in London was a lot spicier than this one. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link up here. Go check out that one. That burger was a lot spicier than this and a lot better. And a lot of you guys who love Popeyes will definitely agree that it's a lot better than a McDonald's burger. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until we meet again with another Gamana. Bye for now.